Good morning. Today is October 30. This is Evan here at Cambridge Court. Here is our model number 1. Should be ready by beginning of next month in December. When you walk into model number 1, to the left, that is your garage entrance. To the right, there's a stair rail. This is the standard. Upper portion there is pony wall, is the standard. Underneath, downstairs, you have one bedroom with the closet and one bathroom with the shower. Standard countertop, island, pantry, and optional fireplace. You can either get a 48-inch or a 60-inch fireplace. It's electric fireplace. Look how spacious the great room is. The moment you walk upstairs is a loft, and this portion right here, handrail, will become a pony wall. That's the standard. And look how spacious your master bedroom. Overlooking at the park. Master bath. His closet. Come join us.